Sir, I want you to identify the people that you carry in your truck. Identify them by tapping them on the shoulder. Okay? Okay? Yes. Where is your truck? Please take me to your truck. I want to see how you carry them.
Simple.
So I want you to demonstrate how you put these people, how you conceal these people in your truck. So I want one person, pick up one person. See, demonstrate to us how you conceal them in the truck, where they were, where you put them. Come. Okay.
You come through, let him come in.
Come. You can go.
So how long was it taking you to load them inside? Hey, how long was it taking you?
No,
How long did it take you to load them inside?
about 6 minutes.
8 minutes. Quickly go inside.
Go inside.
Alipo bwana.
Okay. Peter. Go inside. It's fine, you come out, it's okay. You want to see it when you come out?
No, you see, my CCTV is not here.
Oh, you want to demonstrate? Hey, come. Come, you go inside. Yeah. Hey. Come on. Come. Go inside. Quickly. Come on, very fast.